Dimer UVC innovation products include redundant built-in safety features. The Dimer team considers operator safety a top priority. A 35-watt UVC lamp, powered shining directly to a UVC meter, quickly records strong germicidal dosages. With only a thin layer of Dimer's proprietary transparent shield material, UVC dosage is completely eliminated, even at point-blank range. Dimer's official acceptable tolerance for skin and eye exposure is 0.000 millijoules per centimeter squared. Dimer UVC innovations. Light years ahead.